Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. Okay? Yes guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art React quiz app. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art React quiz app. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you all the feature, all the functionality of the example as well. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js. Okay, and guys, we can see the heading also, master react.js with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, that's me. Okay, and below we can see the another heading also, awesome React easy quiz app. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Okay, in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and easy React quiz app. Okay, so guys, this video have been created for the beginners only. This video have been created for the new learners in react.js. Okay, so guys, below we can see the high score as well. As of now, this is 7. Okay, and this is the question. Okay, so this is the first question, what color is the sky? Okay, and below we can see here we have got here 4 options as well. So the first option is green, blue, red and yellow, and below we can see another button also called next. Okay, so guys, as of now, this is the react. Okay, like we can say here status bar. Okay, so this is the first question. So you can see here this is the status of the quiz. Okay, once you will finish the quiz, okay, it is gonna be 100%, which means quiz is gonna be finished. Okay, so this is the question number 1, and here is the 4 options as well, green, blue, red and yellow, and this is the button, next button. Okay, either we can skip the question by clicking this button called next button, or we can like answer the question as well. Okay, so as of now I'm going to skip all the questions by clicking this button next. Okay, I'm not gonna answer any questions. Okay, so let me just click this button next. Okay, so hit it. You can see here this is the question number 2, and this is the question, how many legs does a cat have? Okay, and these are the options 2, 3, 4 and 5. So click this next button. So this is the question number 3, but is like 1 plus 1. Okay, and you can see here this is the status of the quiz. Okay, once you will reach the like last question or the final question, it will be here. Okay, which means quiz is like about to be finished, about to be like concluded. Okay, and these are the options of this question, what is 1 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So click this button next. So this is the question number 4, and the question is, what is a fruit? Okay, and here are the options, carrot, apple, potato and cabbage. So click next button. So this is the question number 5, and the question is, what do bees make? Okay, so it is asking what do bees make. Okay, so it make butter, honey, salt or oil. Okay, so option is honey. So click this button next. So here is the question number 6. What is a color? So dog, run, pink or eat. Okay, so any fool can answer this. So the color is pink. Okay, so I am not gonna answer any question as of now. I want to show you something. I want to show you the feature. I want to show you the functionality of this quiz app. Okay, so click next. This is the question number 7. How many days are there in a week? Okay, so 5, 6, 7 or 8. So the answer is 7. So click next. So here is the question number 8. What is H2O? Okay, so this is the chemical formula of water. We all know that. Okay, so the options are salt, water, air and sugar. So click next. So the next question is question number 9, and it says which one can fly. It is asking us which one can fly. Okay, so elephant, tiger, bird or cat. We all know bird can only fly. None of the elephant, tiger or cat can't fly. Okay, so click the next button to go to the next question. So this is the question number 10. Okay, and it is which is used to write. Okay, so guys, we generally use pencil or pen or some other things also to write, but here it is asking which is used to write. Okay, so fork is used to eat, pen is used to write, spoon is used to eat and mug is used to hold water or store water. Okay, so click next. So this is the question number 11, and you can see here as soon as we reach the question number 10 or more than question number 10, we can see here the background color of this progress bar is also gonna be changed. Okay, so it is now orange. Previously it was only dodger blue, so now it has changed to orange. Okay, because this is the question number 11 and there is some mechanism after question number 10 we will be changing the background color of this progress bar. Okay, so here is the question number 11, and it is the what is the capital of France? Okay, so Berlin, Paris, London or Madrid. Of course it is the Paris. Okay, capital of France. Okay, so click next. So here is the question number 12. Which animal says meow? Okay, so guys, it is asking which animal says meow. Okay, so we all know cat can only say meow. Okay, so dog options are dog, cow, cat and lion. So click next button to go to the next question. So this is the question number 13, and it is asking what shape has 3 sides. Okay, so of course a triangle has only 3 sides. So options are square, circle, triangle and rectangle. So we all know. So the right answer of this question is of course triangle. So click next to go to the next question. So the next question is 14, and it says what planet it says what planet do we live on? Okay, so Mars, Earth, Venus and Jupiter. Okay, so guys, we are also going trying to go on Mars and to make it habitable like Earth. Okay, so works are underway. Okay, scientists, engineers and astronauts are doing their job, doing their work, to make this planet Mars also habitual. Okay, habit we can I don't get I'm not getting any correct word to say. Okay, Earth is a exoplanet. Okay, so scientists, astronauts, engineers are also making it possible to stay on Mars. Okay, so but as of now we are living on Earth only. So the answer again the answer of this question, what planet do we live on, is Earth only. So this is the question number 14. So click next button to go to the next question, and the last question is which one is a vegetable? Okay, so guys, it is asking which one is a vegetable. Okay, so banana is a fruit, tomato, potato and apple. Okay, so potato is also vegetable, tomato is also sometimes vegetable, banana and apple is the fruit. Okay, so it is asking, so of course potato is the right answer of this question. Okay, so click next. So see, you can see here the background color of this react quiz card is now changed to some different color. Okay, and as of now the highest score is only 17 only, because we have not scored, okay, any single question, like we have not answered any single question. So you can see here you scored 0 out of 15. Okay, you can see here you scored 0 out of 15, and last score is only 0. So it is saying us keep practicing. Okay, because we have not answered any question. Okay, so it is saying us keep practicing. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna again start the quiz. Okay, so here is the button to restart the quiz. Okay, so I am gonna now restart the quiz again, and I'm gonna answer all the 15 questions. Okay, so as of now you can see here we got here 15 questions only, but guys, you are free to add as many questions as you want to add. Okay, there is no any limitations, there is no any restrictions that you have to only 10 questions, you have only 15 questions. No, it's free, you are free to add as many questions as you want to add to your React quiz app. Okay, so I am gonna restart the quiz again by clicking this button, restart quiz. Okay, so hit it now. So again, here we can see here the high score is still 7, and again it is gonna ask the same question, what color is the sky. Okay, so as of now this time I'm gonna answer all the questions correctly. Okay, so this is the question number first, so I'm gonna answer blue of this question, what color is the sky. Okay, so hit blue. So how many legs does a cat have? Of course 4 legs it has, so click 4. So here is the what is 1 plus 1, so I'm gonna answer it 2. So what is a fruit? Okay, so of course apple is a fruit, click it apple. So the next question is question number 5, what do bees make? Okay, of course honey. So here is the next question, question number 6, which is a color? So of course pink is the color, so click pink. Okay, so here how many days are there in a week? Okay, so of course 7 days. Okay, so click 7. So here what is H2O? This is the chemical formula of water, so of course water. Okay, so which one can fly? Of course bird can fly, so click bird. Okay, so here is the next question, question number 10, which is used to write? Of course pen is used to write, so click pen. Here is the question number 11, what is the capital of France? Of course I'm gonna click this Paris. Okay, so click it Paris. Okay, and here is the next question, question number 12, which animal says meow? Of course cat say meow. Okay, so here is the next question, question number 13. Okay, what shape has 3 sides? Okay, so of course triangle has three sides, click OK. So what planet do we live on? As of now I'm gonna answer this question, earth. Okay, so click earth. So here is the question number 15, so this is the last question, and you can see here the progress bar is now about to finish. Okay, so you can see here this is full. Okay, which means 100%, because this is the last question. You can see here question number 15 only, and it says which one is a vegetable? Of course potato is a vegetable, so click this potato, hit it now. See, boom guys, we can see here the highest score is now 15. Okay, the highest score is now 15, and it says you scored 15 out of 15. Okay, so the last score is 15. Okay guys, you can see here the last score is 15. Okay, and it says also new high score. Okay, so guys, you can see here it says new high score as well. Okay, and it is gonna show the different message now. Previously it was keep practicing, and now it is you are a genius. I know guys, okay, we are all a genius. Okay, but it says you are a genius. Previously it was keep practicing, but now we have scored here 15 out of 15 question, so it is saying you are a genius. So thank you, and we can again restart the quiz by clicking this button, restart quiz. Okay, so click it now. So this time I'm gonna only answer 5 or 6 questions. Okay, right. Okay, so what is the what color is the sky? So I'll say here blue. Okay, so how many legs does a cat have? I'll say here 4. Okay, I'm gonna only answer 6 question, right? Okay, so what is 1 plus 1? I'll say here 2. So this is the question number 4. which is a fruit, I'll say here apple. So what do bees make? I'll say here honey. Okay, which is a color? I'll say here pink. And now I'll just click the wrong options. Okay, so how many days are there in a week? I'll say here 8. Okay, what is H2O? I'll say here sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna answer the wrong, like I'm gonna like answer wrong options. Okay, so which one can fly? I'll say here cat. Okay, which is used to write? I'll say here spoon. What is the capital of France? I'll say here Madrid. Okay, so which animal says meow? I'll say here lion. Of course it is not say meow, it roars. Okay, so what shape has 3 sides? I'll say here rectangle. Okay, what planet do we live on? I'll say here this time Mars. Okay, which one is a vegetable? I'll say here apple. Okay, so you can see here now the high score is still 15, and you can see here you scored 6 out of 15, and it says here last score is now 6. Okay, you can see here you scored 6 out of 15, and you can see here last score is now 6, and it says again the different message. It says nice job. Okay, so here is the button to restart the quiz, so click it. So I hope guys you have got the idea that okay what it is all about, and it is very easy, it is very okay simple to build this kind of okay react quiz app using react. Okay, and don't worry guys, just be calm, be relaxed, and be cool, and sit back. Okay, and guys patiently watch the entire video, watch the okay whole video, and don't try to skip anything, don't try to fast forward the video. Otherwise if you will miss anything, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end of the day you are gonna scratch your head, you are gonna say to yourself that I didn't get anything new from this video, from this session, because you have skipped the video, you have forwarded the video, and at that time you might have missed something important, you might have okay missed something crucial, something significant from this video, from this session. Okay, so try to watch the entire video, try to watch the whole video. Okay, so guys now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this react okay easy quiz app with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys before starting of the video I would like to request you, please guys subscribe to my this channel code with er, and please press the bell icon also, and please do like this video, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will like this video, and I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel code with er. Guys please guys consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and guys I need your help, your friend need your help, your brother need your help. Okay, and guys the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my the channel code with er, and by pressing the bell icon also, and by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. And guys definitely guys it is gonna also tell the YouTube algorithm also that this video is awesome, this video is cool, and it has got okay something okay helpful content for the okay developer, for the programmers, for the new react learners. Okay, and I must relay it to the more and more audience, and I must relay it to the more and more okay users as well. Okay, so please guys, please okay consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and please I need your help, and please guys support me now by subscribing to my this channel code with er, and by pressing the bell icon also. I know guys I am a boy, okay, I am not a girl. Okay, so that you will subscribe my channel, but still guys I'm gonna request you, I'm gonna okay request you very humbly and very politely as well, please guys, please subscribe now my the channel code with er, and please support me, and please help me also, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and your brother need your help, your brother need your support. Okay, and you know all how you are gonna help me only by subscribing to my the channel code with er, and only liking my videos as well. Okay, so guys now let's get started and let's learn, and let's get let's create this okay awesome and easy state of the art react quiz app with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but before you have to subscribe now my the channel code with er. Okay, I hope you will subscribe now. Okay, I'm gonna like hoping okay that you will subscribe now my channel code with ER. Okay, so guys, now much talking now, so let's just create a new file. I'm gonna use here VS Code editor. I'm gonna create here new file. I'll say here react, okay, react quiz app dot jsx. So save the file in the components folder, so hit save. So I'm gonna import here, so I'll say here import react. I'm gonna import here the hooks also, use state hook also, and use okay effect hook as well. Okay, this is it. Okay, and guys, let me just I'll explain you something later on. Okay, so as of now, let's just create here one variable also. So const, I'll say here react quiz app equal to open and closing parenthesis equal to, I'm gonna use here the fatter function like this, and open and closing curly braces. So close this. I am gonna return here all the things also. So return, so close this. I'll create here div, so give the class name also. I'll say here class name as a quiz. Okay, so I'll say here quiz container, quiz container. This is it. And to just to close this div. Okay, so this is it. As of now, just say here export default, and I'll just say here react okay quiz app. So close this. This is it. So first of all, let me just create here one okay h1 element as well. I'll just create here h1. So give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a margin top. Okay, margin top I'll give here 2, and I'll say here another class display. I'll give here display 3. Okay, and I'll add the text here also, and awesome. Okay, and awesome react easy quiz app. Okay, so this is it as of now. So let it be only. So just come here to the app.jsx. Okay, and let me just go to the browser. So as of now, let me just remove this okay previously created app. So let me just remove this and remove this also. So now go to the browser. So we don't have anything now, so come to the code now, and now we're gonna import this react quiz app in our app.jsx. I'll say here import react quiz app from where, of course from react quiz app. Okay, so copy this from here and just say like this, save the file, go to the browser and have a look at. So you can see here an awesome react quiz okay app. So there is a misspelling, so just no issue, we are only like learning here. So now we can see here an awesome react okay easy quiz app. Okay, so now let's just say here display 4. Okay, so now in a same line. Okay, so now this is it. So guys, first of all, let me just create here a couple of okay state variables as well. Okay, let me just create here guys a couple of state variable as well. So I'm gonna create here a couple of state variable. So the first state variable will be current question. Okay, and I'll say here set current question give equal to use state, and give here the initial value 0. Okay, I'm gonna create here another state variable. I'll say here const. Okay, I'll just say here score, and I'll say here set okay score, and I just say here use state and give here the initial value as a 0. Of course this is the score, so initial value will be 0. Okay, I'm gonna create here another state variable. I will just say here show result. Okay, show result, and I'll just say here set show result. Okay, so equal to use state, and as of now give here the initial value as a false. Okay, so we will just make it true once our quiz is completed, once our quiz is finished. Okay, so I'm gonna create here another state variable. So I'll just say here state variable, I'll just say here is, okay, is new high score. Okay, I'll just say here set, okay, is new high score. Okay, so I'll just give here equal to use state, not effect, it's state. Okay, and I'll just say here false. So this is the boolean value and this is the initial value. Okay, I'm gonna create here another state variable. I'll just say here const. Okay, and I will just say here high score. Okay, so I'll just say here high score. Okay, and I'll just say here set high score and use state. Okay, and here I'm gonna run here one function. Okay, so guys, whatever function you will write inside this, okay, state variable, it is gonna run only once. Okay, it is gonna execute only once. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Whatever function, whatever method you are gonna write inside this state variable, it is gonna be executed only once, it is gonna run only once. Okay, whenever your component is gonna be mounted. Okay, so I'll just say here parse int. Okay, we all know why we use the parse int. Okay, just to change, okay, the string into the number. Okay, so I will just say here local storage dot get item. Okay, we are fetching the item from the local storage. Okay, and here is the key. Okay, so it is the mechanism of key value pair. We all know B can only store the value in the form of a string, in the form of text inside the local storage, and it is a mechanism of key value pair. Okay, so there will be key and there will be value, okay, associated with the respective key. We can fetch the respective value as well. Okay, so I'm gonna say here high, okay, high score. Okay, so I'm gonna say here high score. Okay, if there is no any high score, we will just say here give here 0. Okay, so store here 0. Okay, if there is no any high score, we will just store here 0. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just copy the questions. Okay guys, let me just copy the questions, because question is a huge set. Okay, and I'm not gonna write it here because it will take a lot of time also, and due to that our video will be larger. Okay, so let me just go to the file. Okay, and let me just copy these questions from here, and let me just paste it here. Okay, inside this quiz React quiz app. So paste it here. So guys, this is the set of questions. Okay guys, this is the set of questions. Okay, and it is an array of object. Okay, an array of objects. Okay, so here we can see here this is the questions, and this is the first question, this is the second question, third up to 15. Okay, so the first question is this: what color is the sky? And this is the options. Okay, green, blue, red, yellow, and this is the answer blue. So here is the question: how many legs does a cat have? This is the option 2, 4, okay, 3, 5, and the answer is 4. So this is the question: what is 1 plus 1? And these are the options 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the answer. Okay, so guys, this is the mechanism to store the question, to store the options, and to store the answer as well. Okay, this is very easy and very understandable as well. Okay, I hope it makes sense to you. So this is the question, this is the option, and this is the answer. This is the question, this is the options, and this is the answer. This is the question, this is the options, and this is the answer. Okay, likewise for all the questions and answers. Okay, I hope it is easy to understand. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now let me just show you the first question. Okay, so I am gonna show here the first question as well. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, show result state variable. So where is the state variable? Okay, show result. So copy it from here, and based on this, okay, I'm gonna apply here the dynamic classes. Okay, so I am gonna apply here the dynamic classes. So let me just make it dynamic now. So I will just say here backtick, and I'll just say here quiz. Okay, container, and dollar sign, and this. Okay, so now if like okay if quiz is finished. Okay, once the quiz is finished, once the quiz is concluded, okay, we will apply certain class based on this show result value. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, using the ternary operator. So give here this question mark. Okay, if the quiz is finished, I'll just say here quiz. Okay, quiz completed class. So completed. Okay, completed. If it is not the case, we will just apply here nothing. Okay, so this is it. Once the quiz is finished, we will apply this. Okay, quiz completed class. If it is not, we will apply the empty class, and this. Okay, quiz container is the default class. Okay, so now just come here below this h1. I'm gonna show here the highest code. Okay, so highest code is like always shown. Okay, so I'm gonna write here the comment also for you. Just show here, show here, show high score. Okay, this is it. So now we will just create here div. So give the class name also. I'll just say here class name high score. Okay, high score display. Close this div, open this, and inside this div I'm gonna create here p okay, so para element. I'll just give you the class name also. I'll say here display. Okay, display, I'll give here 5. Okay, so inside this p we are gonna just show here the high score. Okay, so copy this. Okay, high score state variable from here, and just say here the text also high. Okay, score. Okay, so I hope you are getting me very easily. So paste it here. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser how it is gonna behave. Okay, so you can see here as of now the high score is 0. You can see here as of now the high score is 0. Let me just change the high score. Okay, so let me just change the high score, make it here 10. Okay, save the file. You can see here high score is now 10. Make it 100. Save the file. Okay, you can see here high score is now 100. Okay, so but initially it should be 0 only. So save the file, have a look, high score is 0. Okay, so this is doing great. Okay, so now copy this. Okay, show result state variable from here, and based on this we are gonna conditionally show the our content. Okay, so I'm gonna create here this open and closing state curly braces like this. I'm gonna use here the ternary operator. So this question mark. Okay, open this, and this colon, and like this. Okay, so this is the ternary operator, and this is it. Open this, and inside this div I am gonna create here div. Okay, so create a div, give the class name also, class name. Okay, I'll give you a class name as a result only. Okay, result. So close this div. Okay, close this div, and now I'm gonna create here h3 element, h3. Okay, and I'll just give here class also. It's up to us only. I will just say here display 5. Okay, and here I'm gonna write the text also. So I will just say here us code. Okay, and just open and closing curly braces, and come here, copy this score state variable, copy this score state variable from here, and just paste it here, and I will just say here out of, okay, out of from question dot length, okay, out of from this question dot length. So copy these questions from here and just say here dot length. Okay, it is very easy. So question dot length, okay, so the score is like 0 2 3 4. Okay, so as of now just save the file, and let me just put here something also, otherwise it will give us the error. Okay, so ideally we have to put here something as well. So as of now just put here this div. Okay, so now save the file. Now error is gone, and have a look in the browser first. You can see here there is nothing. So let me just okay, so score, let me just make here the score, make it 12, or okay, let it be 20 only, but there is no 20, it will give the error. So make it 10. You can we don't have anything to show. Okay, so show result once we will make it true also. So show result, make it okay true as well. So now we can see here you scored 10 out of 15. Okay, you can see here you scored 10 out of 15. Okay, so let's just where it is the score, make it okay 100 also. Let's see if this is good or not. You can see here you scored 100 out of 15. Okay, but ideally there is no 100 in 15. Okay, so make it 0. Okay, and let's just make it okay false as well. I just showed you, I just give you the idea, okay, how it is working, how it is doing. Okay, so save the file, and you can see here we don't have anything. Okay, so come to the code now. Okay, so in below this h3 only, I'm gonna create here p element. Okay, so create p, and I will just to give here, I would like to give the class also, like it's a like I mean habit I guess. Okay, I'm used to okay, like put some kind of class, okay, on each and every HTML tag, on each and every HTML element. Okay, I'm used to it. Okay, so I'm sorry for this. I'll just say here font weight, I'll give here bold. Okay, and now I am gonna just say here the last score, score. Okay, and we will just say here I'm gonna fetch the score from the local storage. I will say here local storage dot get item, using the get item. Okay, and here is the key. Which key? So this is the key. Okay, high score. Okay, so and we will just okay, so this is the high score, and we will just store here another key named okay last, okay, named last score. Okay, named last score. So as of now there is nothing in the local storage called last score. Okay, so save the file and have a look in the browser. So we don't have anything to see. Okay, once there will be something in the local storage using this key last store, okay, like last score, we will just able to see it here, okay, on the browser. Okay, so now this is it. Now I am gonna create here inside this, okay, like result div only, I'm gonna create here this open and closing curly braces, and now I will just copy this. Okay, new where is the is new high score state variable, copy it from here, and inside this open and closing curly braces paste it. Okay, if this is the case, so conditionally we are gonna show something else. Okay, so this is known as the conditional, okay, rendering in React. Okay guys, this is known as the conditional rendering in React. Okay, so here I'm gonna create here div. Okay, I'll just close this div, and I'll just give the class name also. I'll just say here new high score banner. Okay, I'll just say here new, okay, high score banner. This is it, banner. Okay, so open this div, and inside this I will just say here new high score. Okay, so this is it. So as of now we can't see anything, so come here, is high score, as of now it's false, so make it okay true, and see what is the, so I will just say here where is the is new high score. mm, so I will just say here, uh, let's just make it 100, then only we will be able to see things. Okay, so it is 100, and is new high score, is new high score, and as of now it's true. So okay, so yeah, it is inside this show result, so we have to make it also true. Okay, so now we can see here US scored 0 out of 15, and last score is 6, and new high score. Okay, so let's just reward all the things to the initial value. Okay, so yep, save the file, have a look in the browser, nothing is here now. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, and now inside this div, okay, here I'm gonna show the message as well. Okay, below this I'm gonna like as of now, let's just come here, and now we will just show the first, okay, question. Okay, so I will just say here, I'm gonna just, okay, so give the class name also to this div. I'll just give here question card. Okay, and inside this I'm gonna show the question and the options as well. Okay, so I will just create here h1 element, h1, and close this h1, it's not h2, h1. Okay, and give the class name also. I'll give here the font, okay, weight, bold. Okay, and I'll just give here margin top, I'll give here 3 also. And inside this like h3 element, I'm gonna show the question. Okay, so guys, we all know how we can access this, okay, first question from this questions array of object. Okay, so guys, we all know how we are gonna show this first question. Okay, and you can see here, this is the current, okay, question state variable. As of now the value is 0. Okay, as of now the value is 0, so we will say here question, okay, current queue and question to show the first question. So I'm gonna do that now here inside this. Okay, I'll say here questions, okay, and just copy this state variable current queue and just to paste it here. I will just say here dot, okay, I will just say here dot this question to show the first question. Okay, what color is the sky? Okay, so paste it here. Okay, and as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So you can see here, this is the question, what color is the sky? Okay, and likewise for all the question, if we want to show this question, this question, this question, we just have to change this to, let's just make it 1. See how many legs does a cat have? So this is the question 0 1 2 3 4 5. We all know it is a based index. Okay, so index 1 is how many legs does a cat have, so make it 2. And now we will see here what is 1 plus 1. So you can see here what is 1 plus 1. Let's just, okay, make it, okay, 3. And now we will see here which is a fruit. Save the file, have a browse, look in the browser, so which is a fruit. Okay, so likewise we will just change it dynamically whenever user will be whenever any options will be clicked by the user. Okay, so make it 0 only. So this is the 0 first element or the first question, what color is the sky? Okay, so based on this we are going to show the options also, green, blue, red and yellow. So we are going to show the options now. Okay, so we are going to show the options now. Okay, so inside this div, okay, let's just create here another div. I'll just give here the class name also, so close this div. Okay, and now I'll just give here the class name as a progress. Okay, progress bar wrapper. Okay, progress bar wrapper. Okay, so open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, I will just give the class name. I'll just say here progress bar fill. Okay, so close this div, open this div. Okay, and inside this div I am gonna dynamically apply the style as well. Okay, so I will just say here style, and like this, open this, and now we will just create here width dynamically. We will just apply the width dynamically. So backtick and dollar symbol. Okay, open and closing curly braces. Okay, and now just I will just copy this current question, because this is going to increase by one every time whenever user will click on any of the options. Okay, or whenever user will hit the button, next button as well. Okay, this current question will be increased by one every time. Okay, so now come here, so paste it here, and now let's just do. Okay, so we will just paste it. I will just say here uh, plus 1, because 0 it is 0 based index, so we have to make it 1. Okay, and now divide it. Okay, divide it by the total questions. Okay, divided by the total questions dot length. Okay, so divided by the total questions dot length. Okay, question dot length, this is it. So close this also. Okay, so close this also, and now we will just okay multiply it by, okay, multiply it by 100, multiply it by 100, and we have to make it percentage, so we will just append this percentage sign. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is it. Put comma, and now we will just change the background color also after the 10th question. Okay, after the 10th question we will just change the background color. Okay, so I'll just say here current, okay, q. Okay, current q is equal to, or I'll just say here greater than or equal to 10. Okay, then we will apply here this class. Okay, I'll just say here orange, apply orange class. Okay, and we will define this class in the quiz dot here is the quiz dot css. Okay, all the things is defined here. Okay, I will just show you, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, as of now let's just know this is the quiz dot css, and this is the classes. Okay, all the classes have been defined here inside this quiz dot css. I'm not gonna write here css because it will take a lot of time also, and this is not the css classes, this is the react.js classes. Although I'll show you all the classes, don't worry, but this is not the css classes, this is the react .js classes, .js classes. And we all know like we will be well known, we will be okay like well versed, okay, that how to apply the css classes in react. Okay, if you are learning here the react.js. Okay, so come here, if otherwise we will just apply nothing. Okay, we will apply, or we will apply here does a blue background. Okay, so this is the background orange, otherwise does a blue. Okay, so this is it. Okay, save the file and see, here is the our progress bar. Okay, here is our progress bar. Okay, and let's just try to increase, okay, this current queue by 10, and you can see here it's here, like, okay, let's just make it, okay, 15, like, okay, so it's not 15, make it 14, because here we are applying here plus 1. Okay, so let's just make it 14, save the file, and you can see here it's finished. Okay, it is the last. Okay, so I hope you are getting me very easily and very efficiently. Okay, make it 0, so here is the 0. Okay, so come down, and now we will show the options as well. Okay, so I'm gonna show the options. Okay, so below this so just below this, okay, progress bar div, I'm gonna create here h5 element. Okay, to show the question number. Okay, h5, so give here some sort of class also. I will just give here class. Okay, display, it's up to us guys. Okay, but I am used to provide the classes, provide the IDs. Okay, on each and every HTML element, on each and every HTML tags. Okay, so I will just show here the question number. So question number. Okay, and we will just say here, because this is the question number, so current queue, copy it from here, and just say here plus 1 also, because this is the 0 based index. Okay, let me just show you because this is the zero base index. Okay, so you can see here question number 0, but this is not the question number 0, this is question number the first. Okay, so make it first plus 1. Okay, so you can see here question number 1. Okay, I hope you are getting me very easily and very efficiently as well. Okay, because I am trying to show you each and everything in depth, in details. Okay, so inside this h5 I am gonna create here another div. Okay, I am gonna create here, I will just give here the class also. First close this div, give here the row class. Okay, and open this div, and inside this div I am gonna use here open and closing curly braces. And now I will just copy this question, because we have to show these options now. All the options we are gonna show of this respective question. What color is the sky? The options are green, blue, red and yellow. We are gonna show the options now. So just paste it here. So now this is the 0th question, this is the current question, current queue. So copy it from here and just paste it here. We will just say here dot, and we will just copy this options. Okay, so this is the options for this question, this is the options for this second question, this is the options for this third questions, and likewise for all the questions. Okay, I hope you are getting me very easily, very efficiently. Okay, so just say here I am gonna use here the map method. Okay, because you can see here this is again the array. Okay, this option is again the array. Guys, you can see here this options is again an array. Guys, you can see here this options is again an array. So we can obviously use here the map method to loop through these options. Okay, green, blue, red, yellow, likewise for all the respective questions. Okay, for all the respective questions. Okay, so come to the code now and map, and now just I will just say here option. Okay, I will just say here option, and I will just give here the idx. Okay, index. Okay, I'll just say here idx for index. Okay, and now just fat arrow function, I will use here the fat arrow function. Okay, like this, open this, and I am gonna create here another div, and just close this div, and I will just give here the class name also. As you all know, I am used to provide here the classes or the ID. Okay, I'll say here call alg 3. I will just give here call xl also 3. Okay, and I'll just say here call xs for extra small. I'll give here 12. I'll give here call sm. Okay, for small I'll give here also 12. Okay, and I'll just give here the prop also, key prop also, idx. Okay, so this is it. Open this div, and inside this div we will just say here open and closing curly braces, and we will show these options. What is the issue? It is very easy, very okay, like very okay, cake, like what we can say, guys. What is the like another word for easy, like in very I'm not getting another word for easy. Okay, easy, like I'm recalling the Hindi word. Okay, saral. Okay, like saral. Okay, so I'm sorry for using the Hindi. Okay, although I can use the Hindi also, because I am Indian as well. At the end of the day, I'm Indian only, so of course I can definitely speak better Hindi as well. Okay, so this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So this is the first question, green, blue, red. Okay, and now based on this, let's just change this to 1. So 1. See, this is the question number 2. Okay, how many legs does a cat have? 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it 3. So you can see here which is a fruit: carrot, apple, potato and cabbage. So whenever user will click on any of the options, we will just okay. So guys, whenever user will click on any of the options, we will just try to increase this current queue by 1 every time. Okay, this is very easy, very efficient. Okay, and you got the deal also, you got the idea as well. Okay, what we are gonna do here. Okay, so this is the first question. What color is the sky? Question number 1. Green, blue, red, yellow are the options. Okay, so just come now. Okay, so now we will just okay, as of now let me just create here another button also. So I am gonna create here another button. Okay, below this div I'm gonna create here button as well for the next. Okay, suppose user don't want to answer any questions. Okay, so he has the option to click the next button as well to go to the next option, to go to the next question. Okay, so this is the button. Okay, for that only I will just say here go next. Okay, so just give the class name also. I will just say here next btn. Okay, btn. Okay, so I will just give here some sort of another class also. I'll say here btn, btn, say here info, and have a look in the browser. We can see here go next. Okay, so on click of this button I'll just say here on click. Okay, and we will run a method also. On click of this button we're going to run here one method. I'll just say here handle next. Okay, handle next. So copy this and let me just come here below this. I'll just create this function now. Next equal to I am gonna use here the factor function like this, and this is it. So we can see here whenever user will click we will just show the next question. Okay, so now on this, okay, options now we have to provide here the class also or the method also on click of this options. Okay, on click of this options. Okay, or okay, so let's just make it button. Okay, so let's just make it button also. And what is the issue? There is no issue. Make it button. What is the issue? So I will just give here the class also. So I will just give here the class also. So I will just give here class btn. I'll say here info. Okay, so you can see here we got the options green, blue, red, and yellow. Okay, so I'm trying to use all the predefined classes from the Bootstrap. Okay, I'm trying to use all the predefined classes from the Bootstrap as well. Okay, so this is it. On click of this button we have to provide here method also on click. Okay, so I'll just say here on click. Okay, and on click I'm gonna use here the anonymous factor function, and I'll just say here handle. Okay, handle I'll just say here answer. Okay, and we will just provide this option. Okay, so copy this option object and just pass is it here. Okay, the entire options inside this handle answer method. Okay, so we are gonna define it now. So copy this from here and just say here const, and now we will just define it. Okay, so now paste it and just give here equal to, and I'm gonna use here the factor function like this. So open this, and this is it. Okay, so first of all let me just console.log the questions and the answer as well. Okay, so I'll just say here console.log. Okay, so I will just say here selected options. Okay, selected options. Okay, so give here comma, and I will just say here this option. Okay, I will just say here this option, paste it here and copy this from here and paste it here, and I will just say here the correct, okay, correct answer. So we will just we all know how we are gonna access this answer. Okay, how we are gonna access this answer. So we will just say here options. Okay, current queue. Okay, current queue, and we will just say here dot answer. Okay, we will just say here dot answer. What is the issue? We all know. So we will just say here options. Okay, so this options. Okay, this okay, it's not option, it's question. Okay, so we will just say here question. Okay, and current queue. Okay, this current queue, because this is the first question. Okay, because this is the first question, so current queue. Okay, and just paste it here, and we will just say here dot. Okay, this answer. To access the answer, copy it from here and just paste it here. Save the file, have a look in the browser, and now open the developer tools, go to the inspect, go to the console, and let me just refresh this. Okay, so now come here. So okay, so let me just import this. Okay, quiz.css file from here. I will just import, okay, this dot, okay, quiz dot css file. Okay, so here is the quiz dot css file, and all the css are already defined here. Okay, I will just you can just pause the video and you can just have a look. Okay, so just now so now we can see here it's now here. Okay, and come here, come to the console, and now whenever you will click, okay, on any of the options. Okay, so let me just what is the what is the question, what color is the sky? I'll click here, blue. You can see here correct option is blue, correct answer is blue. Okay, so click red. You can see here correct option is red. Okay, and you can see here correct answer is blue. Okay, so the selected option is red, but correct answer is blue. Click yellow. You can see here selected option is yellow, but correct answer is blue. Okay, so we can see the things now easily. So come to the code now, and now inside this I am gonna define the things. Okay, so now we will just say here, if I will just check this. Okay, so copy this. Okay, options. So because this is the option, so copy this option, equal to I will just say here. Okay, equal to I'll just say here, copy this question dot answer, because this is the answer. Okay, if this is equal to this. Okay, so if this is the case, we will just say here, if this is the case. Okay, we will just score. Okay, we will just, okay, set here the current, okay, score. I will just say here 1. Okay, so copy this set score, and we will just store all the scores. Okay, every time it will increase by 1. Okay, so I'll just say here okay, previous store. Okay, or the score, I'm sorry, not store, it's score. Okay, so I'll just say here okay, every time increase it by 1. Okay, so close this. So this is it. Okay, and now else we will just say here else we will just say here console.log only. Okay, so console.log. Okay, so we will just say here wrong or incorrect answer. Okay, or the option. Okay, incorrect option. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. So refresh the page and go to the developer tools, go to the console, click green. You can see here incorrect option. See, incorrect option. Okay, yellow. You can see here incorrect option, selected option is yellow, but the correct answer is blue. Okay, so it's working now. So just now, if this is the case. Okay, so now, so as you can see here, we are increasing the score every time by 1. Okay, so now here also I'm gonna create here another const. Okay, so I'll just say here const. I'll just say here next queue. Okay, which means next question. So we will just copy this current queue. Okay, current queue, because we are going to increase it every time by 1. So this is it. Okay, so now we will just say here, we will just say here if we will check. Okay, if this is the last question or not. Okay, if this is the last question, we will just show the result. Okay, we will just announce the result, we will just announce the result, we will just announce the winner. Okay, if this is the last question, if this is not the last question, we will show the next question, we will show the next question, we will show the next question. Once we will reach the 15 question, which means this is the last question, we will just announce the winner, we will just announce the result. Okay, I hope you are getting me very easily, very efficiently. Okay, so we will just check this using this next queue. okay, if this is less than or equal to, okay, we will just say here this questions dot length, okay, this question dot length, okay, dot length, dot length, okay. If this is the case, which means it is inside this question, okay. Once it is once it is false, which means user has finished the quiz has concluded, and it's time to announce the winner, it's time to show the result, okay. So now just come down, and now we will just, okay, say here set, okay, set current queue, every time increase it by 1, because only this current queue is only increasing by 1. So we have to use this state operator function, set current queue, and increase it every time by this next question, because this is here, okay, it is only increasing by 1, okay, every time it is increasing by 1 only, okay. If this is not the case, we will just announce the result, okay, or announce the user, okay. Else we will just say here this, okay, show set, okay, show result, okay. So copy it, and we will just make it true. As of now you can see here I mean, so result is false, so we will make it true to show the result, okay. So I will just say here true to show the result, okay. This is it, okay, this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now click red, you can see here question is now increasing, click 5, okay, question is now increasing every time by 1, click 2, okay. So all the, like, it is the wrong options I'm choosing, I'm just showing you, okay. It is going to increase every time by 1, okay. So better, honey, okay, 7, sugar, okay. You can see here the question is also increasing every time by 1, and the options are also changing dynamically based on the questions, okay. Okay, so you can see the progress bar is also working fine. Circle, Venus, Apple, okay. So you can see here we have announced the result now. So highest score is 0, you scored 4 out of 15, okay. So the last score is 6 only, okay. So we will just show the button also. I don't know why the button is now being not shown now. We will just okay, so I hope we have to remove this button from this okay, I hope we have to remove this button, guys. So we have to remove this button, refresh the page. So button is here, go next, okay. So button is not working, but okay, so we will just create this button here, okay, here, okay. We will just create a new button here, okay. So just now we will just create the button, okay. So to restart the quiz, okay. To restart the quiz, we will just create here the button, okay. Below this I'm gonna create here another button I'm gonna create here, okay. So high score is this, and now we will just high score, where is this high score, okay. So this is the high score, okay. So this is the div, okay, yeah. So this is the div, and now I will just create here the button also to restart the quiz, okay. To restart the quiz, okay. I'm gonna create here the button, so I'll just say here restart the quiz, okay. Restart the quiz, and on click of this I will just give here the class name also, btn. I'll just say here btn, I will just say here success, okay. So save the file, and you can see here we got the button here, restart the quiz. Now refresh the page, okay. So click click any options, okay. We just want to see the button if it is working or not. Last option or the last question, yeah, we can see the button now, restart the quiz, okay. So whenever my user will click this button, we will just restart the quiz, we will just reset the quiz, okay. So on click of this button only, I will just say here on click, Okay, so we have to define here method also. I'll say here reset quiz. Okay, reset quiz. Okay, this is it. We will just define it in a bit. Okay, so just say here const. So like this, add a function. Okay, so yeah, now just come here, and now we will just create, okay, this handle next. Okay, so I'm gonna define this handle next method now. This, okay, this button handle next. Okay, this go next, go next, go next button now. Okay, so come to the code now, handle next, and now we will just say here const. Okay, so why write, okay, why to write it again and again, copy this and just paste it here. Okay, this is it. So hit enter. So now we will just check here if, okay, this next queue is less than, okay, questions. Okay, questions dot length. Okay, question not last index, it's length. Okay, so guys, this question, okay, this questions, okay, we are checking it. Okay, so question dot length, if this is the case, so if this is the case, we will just what is the set current. So copy this from here and just paste it here. We have to be a little smarter. Okay, we have to be work little smarter. Okay, so else now not this, else we will just announce the result. Because if this is not the case, okay guys, suppose if this is not the case, which means the quiz is end, the quiz is over, the quiz is concluded. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. If this is not the case, which means the quiz is over, the quiz is concluded, the quiz is now ended. Okay, and we will just say here set show result true. So paste it here, this is it. Okay, and let's just give it a test. Okay, so try it, save the file, have a look in the browser, go next. See, boom guys, it's working. Go next, 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 go next. Question number 10, question number 11, question number 12, question number 13, question number 14, question number 15. So you can see here progress bar is also working. And click next. Now this is the last question, so we will now announce the result, we will now announce the winner, we will now show the result. Okay, because this is the last question, and the moment you will hit it, the moment you will hit this button go next, we will just show the result, we will just announce the result. Okay, so hit it now. See, boom guys, you can see here highest score is 0, your score 0 out of 5, I mean out of 15, last score is 6. So restart the quiz, but it is not gonna work as of now. It is not gonna work. So we have to define this method now, restart. Okay, quiz. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. I am gonna do that now. Okay, so I am gonna do that now. Okay, so now we will just say here set. Okay, we will just say here set current. Okay, set current queue every time. Okay, we will just say here set current queue, and we will just, because this is the reset button. Okay, so we will just make it 0. Okay, and now we will just say here set high score also, we will make it 0, because we are gonna restart the quiz. Okay, we are gonna restart the quiz. So what is the issue? To show all the things, okay, initially as well. Okay, I will just say here set show result also, set to again it false. Okay, so make it again false, because previously it was true, so we have to make it false again. Okay, because the quiz is gonna again restart. Okay, so now just this button will now work. Okay, this button, which button, this reset quiz button will now also work. Okay, so this is the function reset quiz. So go to the browser, have a look in the browser now. So click this button, restart quiz now. See, boom guys, now refresh the page again, just go next, go next, go next, go next. Okay, go next, go next, go next. Again, this is the last question, go next. See, now click this button, restart the quiz, hit it now. See, boom guys, it's now working. Okay, so now we will just try to answer the question. Okay, so what is the first question? What color is the sky? I'll say here blue. Okay, so what how many legs does a cat have? I'll say here 4. Here, what is 1 plus 1? I'll say here 2. What which is a fruit? I'll say here apple. So what do bees make? I'll say here honey. So which is a color? I'll say here pink. Okay, so how many days are there in a week? I'll choose this option 7. Okay, what is H2O? This is the chemical formula of water. I'll say here water. Okay, so which one can fly? I'll go with the word. So here is the question next, which is used to write? I'll go with the pen. So hit pen. What is the capital of France? I'll go with the Paris. So hit Paris. Which animal says meow? I'll go with the cat. So hit the option cat. Okay, or like what shape has 3 sides? I'll go with the triangle. So hit the triangle. Here is the second last question. What planet do we live on? I'll go with the earth. So hit earth. So this is the last question. Which one is a vegetable? I'll go with the potato. Okay, so see guys, you scored 15 out of 15. Okay guys, you can see here you scored 15 out of 15. Okay, so guys, you can see here it is also working now. So click the button, restart the quiz. Okay, so come now. Okay, so now come to the code now again. So we have to now show the message as well. Okay, so I am gonna show the message as well. Okay, I am gonna show the message as well. Okay, so I'm gonna create here another method. I'll say here const. I'll just say here get message. Okay, get message equal to open and closing parenthesis. Okay, or give equal to federal function like this. Okay, and guys, now based on this score, okay guys, based on this score, okay, we are gonna show the different message to the user. Okay guys, based on this scores, okay, we are gonna show the different message to the user. Okay, like how many like scores, how many options he has selected correctly. Okay, so I am gonna do that now inside this method get message. Okay, so come here. So if I am gonna check with this score only, okay, this score only we are gonna check. Okay, okay, so say here score. Okay, if it is greater than 7, okay, if it is greater than 7, they will just say here wow, you are genius. Okay, so return here, return, I will just return h1 element, h1, and close this h1, and we will just say here class name also I'll give here. Class name I'll just say here genius. Okay, genius msg. Okay, this is the class defined here inside this. Okay, quiz dot css. So let me just show you where is the class. You can see here this. Okay, genius msg. Okay, you can see here genius msg, nice msg. Okay, based on the classes practice msg. Okay, I hope you are getting me what I am doing here. Okay, so I will just give you the text also. You are a genius. I will just say here you are a genius. Okay, you are a genius. Okay, so as of now just copy this message method name from here, and above this button restart the quiz, I am gonna call it like this. So just this, save the file, have a look in the browser, and as of now let's just say here only, I mean write the all the choose all the correct options. So I'll just say here blue. Okay, I will just choose here 4. I'll just choose here 2. I'll just select here like apple. I'll just go with the honey. I will just choose this pink. I will just say here in a week 7 H2O, it's a water. And who can fly? Of course word can fly, and pen is used to write. Okay, so which is the capital of France? I'll say here Paris. Okay, which animal says meow? I'll go with the cat. Okay, so what shape has three sides? I'll go with the triangle. Okay, what planet do we live on? I'll go with the earth. Okay, so this is the last answer or the question. The question is which one is a vegetable? It's a potato. So see, you are a genius. Okay, you can see here the message, you are a genius. Okay, let's just try to change the message. Okay, try to put here some dots. See, you are a genius. Okay, so okay, give you three dots. Okay, so you are a genius. Let me just okay show the icons as well. Okay, so let me guys copy this icon from here. Okay, so copy it from here and just to paste it here, save the file. You can see here this bulb sign, you are a genius. Okay, so now we have to show here different message also based on this score. Okay, so here it is greater than 7, we will just say here you are a genius. If it is less than 5, less than 4, now we will also show the message. Okay, so I'll just say here else else if okay, I will just check with this score only. Okay, with this score only. So copy this score from here and to just to paste it here if it is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, suppose someone has only scored 5 or more than 5. Okay, so we will also like appreciate him. We will just also support him. Okay, so that he will practice more and more and he will try to score the better score in the next session, the next time. Okay, so we have to also appreciate them. Okay guys, we will guys it's a nice. Okay guys, we have to appreciate okay each and everyone. Okay, so guys, you guys should also appreciate me also by subscribing to my this channel Code with ER. Guys, please guys support me, please guys. Okay, appreciate me as well. Okay, and please guys, you need your friend need your help, your brother need your help. Okay, please support me and please appreciate me. Okay, okay, I hope you will support me and you will appreciate me as well. Okay, by subscribing to my channel Code with ER. Okay, I hope you will do now. Come to the code now. Okay, suppose someone has scored equal to 5 or greater than 5, so we will also return here. Just copy this. Okay, be little smarter, work little smart. Okay, so we will just say here nice MSG. I showed you the class also, nice MSG, and we will just say here with the different message also. I'll just say here nice job, keep practicing. Now I'll just say here nice job. Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so now else we will just show the keep practicing. Okay, else we will just show here keep practicing. Okay, so copy this and we will just say here I will just change with this practice. So I showed you the class also. This is the practice, copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, okay, so practice MSG and we will just say here keep. Okay, keep practicing. Okay, keep practicing. Okay, so let's just change the icons. Appreciate icon, which means clap. Okay, so clap because he is also scored more than 5. So copy this muscles icon. Okay, and we will just appreciate him also to keep practicing. Okay, so this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser, restart the quiz. Okay, I will just score below 5. Okay, I'll just score below 5. Okay, or 5. Okay, so I'll just blue. This is the second question, 4. Okay, so second I'll go with 2. Okay, so fruit is apple. Okay, honey. Okay, so this is the fifth question. I will choose the or I will go with the next. Okay, next. You can see nice job. Okay, you can see here nice job. Okay, because I have scored 5 or greater than 5, so nice job. Okay, and I will just this time I will choose here I will just choose the wrong answer. Okay, so wrong answer. Okay, wrong answer. Okay, everything wrong answer every time. Okay, you can see, keep practicing, because I scored only 0. Okay, you scored 0 out of 15, so keep practicing. Okay, so it is doing great. So now come to the code. Now we will just fetch the high score as well. Okay, we will just fetch the high score as well from the local storage. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the user state hook. Okay, so I am gonna use this user state hook as well. Okay, so come to the code now, and below this I'm gonna use here the user state hook as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I will just say here use effect fetch other function I will use here. This is the dependency array. So open this, I will just create here the uh, cleanup function as well, return. So this is known as the cleanup function. Okay, and it will run once our component is unmounted. Okay, so we will just say here clean up function. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will just copy this. Okay, show result state variable. I'll just copy this show result state variable from here, and just come here inside this use effect. Okay, I will just check with this only. I'll just say here if, okay, if it is the case. Okay, if it is the case, okay, we will just fetch the high score from the local storage. Okay, so I'll just say here local storage dot set item. Okay, set item, we will just store here the high score first. Okay, I'll just say here the last score. Okay, so here is the key also. Last where is the key? Last score, I have written here the last, come down, yeah, here is the last score also. So we are gonna store this key also. Okay, last store. Okay, I mean last score, not a store, very sorry, copied it from here and just to paste it here. Okay, so this is it. And what we have to store here, of course, this is state variable score. Copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, now this is it. Open this. Okay, so open this. Now inside this if only, we have to create here another const. So I'll just say here const. I will just say here saved. Okay, high score. Okay, saved high score. And I will just create, I will just bring it from the local storage. I'll just say here parse int. Okay, we all know we can only store the data or the information in the local storage in the form of text or the string. Okay, so we have to pass it and we have to make it number. Okay, so that's why I used here the parse int. Okay, to make it number. Okay, so I hope you are getting me very easily and very efficiently as well. I'll say here local storage dot get item. Okay, local storage dot get item. What to get, guys? Of course this high score. Okay, come here, this high score. Okay, so this high score, this high score, copy it from here and just to paste it here. So this is it. Okay, this is it. If it is not the case, we will just fetch the 0, because this is not the case, which means there is only 0. Okay, so high score is only 0. Okay, so now if, okay, now if we will say here if this score, okay, if this score is greater than, okay, is greater than, okay, we will just say here this saved high score. Okay, this saved high score, if it is greater than 0, we will just say here, okay, we will just say here local storage dot get item. Okay, local storage dot get item, or we will just set item the, okay, just set item. Which item to set here? I will just set here this okay, it is a key. Okay, so copy this high score from here and just paste it here. Okay, and what not, this is the key, and what to store here, of course this. Okay, score only, so save it from here, and now this is it. Okay, and now we will just say here make here this is set new high score. Okay, make it as of now. You can see here this. Okay, like set new high score is false, so we will make it now true. Make it now true. This is it. Okay, else 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 we will say here, as we will say here set. Okay, set high score, set uh, is new high score, and we will just say here as a false. Okay, as a false. And now based on this, okay, show result only, based on this show result only, we will just try to run this. Okay, use effect hook. Okay, on whenever this show result will change, we will just run this use effect hook. Okay, and we will just show each and everything once our quiz is finished, 1 hour quiz is over, once our quiz is concluded. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and have a look in the browser. Now you can see here, now the high score is now shown here, 15. Okay, so as of now, let's just go to the inspect. Okay, and go to the application and just to remove everything from here. Okay, remove for and refresh. We don't have anything now, so we can see here now. I'll refresh the page. Okay, so now we don't have high score 0. Okay, so I will just now I will just store here high score as a only 5. Okay, so just select only 5 correct options. Okay, I want to show you something, so choose here blue, so 4. I'll choose here 2. Which one is fruit? Apple. What do bees make honey? So pink. Okay, so guys, this is it. Give here next. Now choose next, all the next. Okay, wrong options. Okay, 15 question and apple. So you can see here new high score. Okay, new high score is now you scored 6 out of 5. Okay, I mean out of 15. So refresh the page, or just you can see here this is the new high score. Okay, so nice job. Restart the quiz. You can see here high score is 0. Refresh the page, so you can see here high score is now 6. Okay, so high score is now 6, and reset the quiz. So set show result, set show result false. Okay, and set high score. Okay, so yeah, set high score we have to say here. Okay, so now just copy this high score, I mean score, and just save it here. So that's why our code was not working. Okay, so just go to the inspect and now go to the application and now remove this and refresh this. So there is nothing here. Okay, there is nothing here. So now refresh the page and now choose here only seven correct options. Okay, so this time only seven correct options, rest all will be wrong. Okay, so I'll just go with the blue. Okay, so what how many legs does a cat have? I'll go with 4. What is 1 plus 1? I'll go with 2. So this is the fourth question. What is a fruit? I will choose with I'll go with the apple. What does I mean what do bees make? Okay, so honey. What is the color? I'll go with the pink. Okay, how many days are there in a week? I'll go with this 7. Okay, now choose all the wrong options. Jupiter, apple. You can see here new high score. Okay, and you can see here now the high score is 7. You scored 7 out of 15. Last score is 7. High score is new high score. Nice job. Okay, and restart the quiz. So now click the button, restart the quiz, and now you can see here high score is now 7. Okay, so it is working fine now. So now I'll just choose all the correct options. Okay, all the right options. Okay, I'll go with the blue. How many legs does a cat have? I'll go with 4. What is 1 plus 1? I'll go with 2. Okay, so which is a fruit? I'll go with the apple. What do bees make? I'll make honey. What is the color? I'll go with the pink. Okay, so how many days are there in a week? 7. Okay, so what is H2O? Water. Which one can fly? Word. Which is used to write? Pen. So what is the capital of France? Paris. Okay, so which animal says meow? Cat. Okay, so what shape has 3 sides? Triangle. What do planet we live on? I'll choose with earth. Okay, which one is a vegetable? I'll go with the potato. So see, boom guys, new high score is this, and the high score is now 15. You scored 15 out of 15. Okay, last score is 15. High score is now you are a genius. Okay, so everything is doing fine, everything is doing great. Restart the quiz again, and now we can see here the highest score is 15. Okay, and again we can see each and everything is doing great. Okay, so I hope guys, okay, I feel guys you have learned something new, something awesome, something great from this video, from this session. Okay, and guys I know guys it will definitely help you to okay become a great and dynamic react.js developer in coming month, in coming future as well. Okay, so guys, if you want to become a great and dynamic react.js developer along with me also, and if you want to score okay if you want to fetch okay high paying job, okay, if you want to okay be a great and dynamic react.js developer, then please guys this okay channel this platform code with er is definitely for you. You should definitely, I'm very sorry, you should definitely guys subscribe now my this channel code with er, and you should definitely press the bell icon also, and definitely guys you should like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos for this, for on each and every for for you guys, okay, on each and every topic of web development and full stack development as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will like you will subscribe now my the channel code with er, and you will just press the bell icon as well. Okay, and you will like my this video as well. Okay, please guys support me, and please guys promote me. Okay, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, please guys, please consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother. Okay, I know guys I'm not your friend, I'm not your brother, but still guys you can consider me as a friend, still you can consider me as a brother. Okay, and you can help me guys. Okay, okay guys I know guys I'm not a girl, okay, so that you can subscribe my channel, but let me guys just read something for you. Okay, let me just read something for you. I hope, okay, so let me give me just Okay, so let me just read it for you. Okay, so hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar, or obscene content just to get subscribers. If that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not the goal of my video, not this session as well. Okay, my aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. If you believe in the power of learning and want to be a part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and to empower you with the skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty, and harmful content to entertain you, but here is all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel Code with ER. Your support means the world to me. At the end of the day, it's all in your hands. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, on this platform Code with ER Prabhat Pandit only. Okay, that's me. So I hope guys you will support me, and you will subscribe my channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. Guys, just guys, trust me and subscribe now my the channel. Guys, I will try to, okay, make you, I'll try to build you. Okay, I'll try to mold you in a better person. Okay, who is very dynamic, who is very passionate. Okay, who is very, okay, into the enthusiastic learning. Okay, guys, you will become a great and great react.js developer. Okay, if you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and if you will press the bell icon also, and you have to guys like all my videos also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation. Okay, and it will tell the YouTube algorithm also that this video is awesome, this video is cool, and I should forward this video to more and more viewers, to more and more like, okay, audience as well. Okay, I hope you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, so this is it guys for this session, for this tutorial. Okay, see you guys. Still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, okay, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to address it, I'll try to resolve it, and I will definitely try to give you the best possible solution, give you the best possible answer as well. Okay, please do comment something, okay, what you have learned, okay, new from this video, from this session. Okay, please guys, okay, do comment, okay, in the comment section below. It will help my video to be shown to more and more viewers, to more and more like, okay, audience as well. Okay, please do comment something. Okay, and do let me know what you have learned, okay, new from this video, from this session. Okay, in the comment section below. Okay, you can give me the feedback as well. The feedback can be negative, the feedback can be positive as well, so you can give me the feedback as well. Okay, so you are most welcome, and always. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, and thank you guys for watching my session, for watching my video. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, a lot. Okay, and let me just go to the post also. Okay, so thank you guys. Okay, everyone. Okay guys, I thanks each and every one of you, okay, who has subscribed my channel Code with ER. Okay guys, with your help only I have, okay, got the 700 subscribers, okay, on my this channel Code with ER. Okay, so thank you guys. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, let me just read it for you. Thank you everyone, okay, for believing on me. Okay, you are my inner strength and true assets of this channel. Your love, encouragement, and support fuel my creativity every single day. Okay, I promise to keep delivering inspiring and valuable content just for you. Let's continue growing, learning, and achieving together. Okay, keep supporting me always. Your journey, okay, our journey has just begun. Today, I am incredibly grateful and beyond excited to share that we have reached 700 amazing subscribers on the channel. From the very first video to this moment, okay, your support, likes, comment, and shares have meant the world to me. Each one of you is not just a number. You are a part of this growing family. Okay, thank you for believing in me, for watching my content, and for being such an important part of this okay journey. Whether you are here for web development, design, okay, or just curious to learn something new, okay, you inspire me to keep creating and sharing every single day. Okay, so here's to my okay here is to many more milestone learning moments and creative adventures ahead. Keep growing, learning, and building together with gratitude. Okay, er Prabhat Pandit, code with er. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you, thanks a lot. Okay, for being part of this okay family, for being this part of this okay lovely and dynamic and growing community as well. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, thank you guys. So see you guys in the next video, in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.